These are the SoundPEATS Q30 Wireless Earphones. These are the SoundPEATS Q30 Wireless Earphones. They're a pretty dinky little set of earphones that don't cost the earth. They are maybe £19.98 off of Amazon.co.uk at the moment. They are dual 4.1 magnetic wireless headphones with an IPX6 designed for the gym, and these little ear hooks allow them to securely fit to your noggin, and they work with the iPad, iPhone, Samsung, Galaxy phones and whatever else you fancy throwing at them. They should be compatible with most things. They feature super bass, they're lightweight, and about 8 hours of playtime. So let's dig them out and see what they look like. A wee drawer type mechanism here. It's quite nice packaging, to be honest. Very simple. Looks a little bit like Sennheiser, to be honest. And even the logo is a wee bit Sennheiser-y, but then it's SoundPEATS, so it's an S. On the top here we have a quick start guide to show how to charge. It takes 1.5 hours to charge. Long press the button for 5 seconds to enter pairing mode, and enjoy. A very crucial instruction there, enjoy. And that's quite a nice piece of paper, to be honest. There they are, neatly presented inside. And we've got some goodies underneath. So we'll have a look at those in a minute. We'll go through the goodies first, and the paraphernalia that comes with it. So we have something special for you, a gift. Step 1, sign up at SoundPEATS. Step 2, click privileges. Step 3, enter free review or warranty section, and you'll get an extra 6 months warranty extension and a free review chance. Wonder what that means. Well, there's a QR code for you there if you happen to be looking for the official website or Japan. Okay, so my microphone battery died, so I've replaced it. So there's a user manual in here. We also have a little baggie that has all kinds of bits inside. There's a massive amount of bits, but I suppose there's ear hooks as well. So we have 1, 2, 3 and 4. 2 sets of ear hooks, a little clip to hold the cord, the wire to yourself, one of these little clips, actually 2 of these little clips, no wait, 3 of these little clips to put around the wire to keep it in the right place, and then we have 4 different sets of earbuds. Then there's ones that are already on it, so there's tons, and they feel like they're silicone as opposed to rubber or plastic or anything. And of course there's a USB charge cable as well in the little black pouch, which is full USB to micro USB. Very thin feeling cable, but then it doesn't need to be much, just to charge her up. Fairly simple. And then the headphones. Very simple. Obviously, as I said, they come with earbuds and ear hooks already installed. So you have 3 of these in total. And it says M on it. I take it this says L. It does say L. Okay, so they're small, medium and large. And mediums come pre-installed. Now these are magnetic. So they click together thusly. And having a look at it. Right, so we have the drivers in there, which covered over by a silver grill. If we pull all the stuff off, you can see that's your setup there. It's plastic the whole way around, but then it's £20 worth of headphones, so you're not going to expect nice aluminum milling or anything on here. Simple branding on the back. Put that back on again, see how easy it is to install. Very simple. Pop that on there. And that's you in the running again. A little bit of reinforcement here, no cording or anything down here, which is a I suppose a bit of a problem. Appears to be a microphone hole under there as well for calls and things, because it has Qualcomm aptX transmission. Then we have a rubbery cord all the way along here. It appears to be quite long. I suppose it's about 1/2 meter in total, but you can use these cords obviously to shorten it down, and then this to clip it to yourself to keep it out of the way. And then the inline controls are plastic. There's a rubberized seal over here, so you do get a tiny bit of waterproofing. But they're IPX6, so I imagine you'll be able to withstand a small shower or a bit of sweat. We have clicky buttons here, which is a play, a minus, and a plus. And then I've got fairly long nails today. Clicking that, you can see it's left a tiny little dent in the rubberized button, but I imagine that'll pop back out again after a while. There is, I'll just point with my nail there just to annoy some people, a little microphone hole there. And that's about it. Decently reinforced just at the edge here, so that there might be a bit of fraying there after a while. But I imagine for 20 quid you're not going to expect full reinforcement. And then we have the FC code there as well, and CE code, which appears to be legit. So we got another little bit there, which is 2 inches. And then the other headphone, which I would like to think that it would say left and right, but eventually you'll get to know which is which because of the ear hooks, so they don't need to print that. So I'm going to go and give these to the wife, and she can take them out for a run and decide whether or not they're any good. She used the previous SoundPEATS, and she's currently testing some Aukey ones, which are around the same price, so she'll have a better idea of what budget end of the market headphones she prefers. I've got a funny feeling she's actually going to go with these because she liked the last SoundPEATS. They do give off pretty decent sound, and for this kind of money, with the warranty plan that SoundPEATS have, I'm looking forward to seeing what she thinks of these. So let me know if you have any questions in the comments box down below. Hit that subscribe button and give us a wee thumbs up if you fancy. And other than that, take care.